Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by filling the header, date, project ID, and your initials so entries are traceable. Once done, record the first task with precise start time and an estimated duration. This keeps totals accurate. Make sure to mark priority to guide later reviews. Use 24-hour time and half-hour increments to reduce rounding errors. As you log, jot a brief note explaining why you began each task so later reviewers understand context and decisions. Continue by adding detailed updates as work progresses. Note interruptions, elapsed time, and completion timestamps so totals reconcile. Explain resource usage, materials, costs, and staff hours, because that ties actions to budget and accountability. Use concise cause/effect notes for each event. This helps identify patterns. If applicable, apply short standardized codes for recurring events to speed entry and ensure consistency. Regularly total columns, so you spot anomalies early and correct errors before they propagate. To finish, calculate totals and verify every row has a signature or initials. This validates accountability. Once done, cross-check the log sheet against time cards, receipts, or system logs to ensure consistency, because reconciliation prevents downstream disputes. Then archive with a clear, date-stamped file name so retrieval is immediate. If you find discrepancies, flag the line, annotate the specific reason, and record the corrective action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.